In the USA, there is no political party that can accomplish anything. This is by intentional design. The political party system, a mechanism for government control. In the United States, the existence of political parties has become a mechanism that ensures the preservation of governmental control and power. The primary effect of party affiliation is to neutralize political influence. When you agree to join a political party, you inherently agree to oppose and be opposed by other parties, irrespective of the issues at hand. This results in a system where political discourse becomes a matter of opposing factions, with little to no progress made on substantive political reforms. The real decision-making is happening far above the public's reach, and political parties only serve to divide and distract the electorate. Footnote: political parties in the U.S. primarily serve to divide the public and create stalemates, rather than facilitating meaningful change or reform. The dangers of political divisions. The system of political parties in the U.S. fosters constant conflict between opposing groups. Regardless of the issue, one party will oppose the other, preventing the possibility of agreement on any issue of real importance. This creates a system where the public's needs and desires become secondary to partisan disputes. When government faces internal conflict between parties, its focus shifts to maintaining its own power, rather than addressing the concerns of the people. As a result, government misconduct and inefficiencies go unchecked, and the public's grievances are drowned out by the noise of political infighting. Footnote: the division into political parties results in an environment where government remains unaccountable for its actions, as opposing parties prioritize division over collaboration. Unity as the solution to governmental control. The only viable tool for the public to regain control over its government is unity. Great ideas alone cannot persuade government officials to relinquish their power. The only way to effectively challenge government is through mass movements that unify across party lines, forming a large and loud collective demand for change. However, political parties work against this goal by fostering division, making it nearly impossible to achieve such unity. To overcome government resistance, the public must focus on common ground and work together to demand real change, disregarding party affiliations and focusing on shared goals. Footnote: unity is the key to challenging governmental power and pushing for reform, as political divisions prevent meaningful progress. The need for a unified public agenda. For any reform to succeed, it must be backed by a mass of determined activists who are willing to push forward with a unified agenda. Government reforms cannot occur without overwhelming public pressure, and the party system makes this nearly impossible. Even if an entire party supports a specific policy, the opposing party will neutralize that effort, rendering the push ineffective. The solution is to find the policies that resonate with everyone, irrespective of party affiliation, and to demand that government act on these policies without compromise. This approach will enable the public to regain control of the government and make meaningful changes that benefit all citizens. Footnote: only through unity and consensus building across political parties can the public effectively exercise control over government and push for necessary reforms. Breaking the partisan deadlock. Concerns about unaccountable government are now emerging from across the political spectrum. Many of the policies implemented by the government are offensive to a wide range of political ideologies. This indicates that there is potential for agreement on key issues, but political party divisions prevent progress. By looking past partisan labels and focusing on the actual ideas and policies, citizens can find common ground and break the deadlock that has hindered progress for so long. Footnote: the division between political parties is the primary obstacle to meaningful change, and focusing on shared goals is the only way to overcome it.